بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. This is lesson 86 of Surat al Baqarah. We are now on ayah number 208. Okay, we're going to start from right here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها. So the ya أيها. Ya has the shadda أيها. This ha is going to mix in. Where this drops here, goes straight to the lam. يا أيها الذين. Right? So with ladina, there's a ya before the dhal. So الذين. Right? Just a slight stretch there. الذين آمنوا. Hamza followed by alif. So آمنوا as opposed to amanu. آمنوا. This drops, goes straight to the dal. The dal is what is called qalqala. It's slightly like doubling it. If you were to read الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا خُلُوا, slightly wrong. So listen very carefully. الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. You hear that slight آمَنُوا خُلُوا. آمنوا ادخلوا. So it's like a bounce off or just slightly almost doubling it. يا أيها الذين آمنوا ادخلوا. Okay, so آمنوا ادخلوا في ألف لام سين حروف شمسية. If this is the first time you're joining our lessons, we highly recommend you start with the beginning lessons, as those have already been covered. So those that are constantly following, we won't repeat too much. So this is read as fi silmi. آمنوا ادخلوا في silmi. So, sorry. ادخلوا في السلم. في السلم كافة. This is what is this called? A med. Med. So this is inside of the one same word. So this is a long med. كافة. Okay. في سلمي. So في سلمي كافة ولا I'll give you a second to work this out. Ta ba ain waw alif. Shadd on the ta. Tattabi'u khutuwati. Kha ta waw ta. With a long waw, this long alif extends it. تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان. خطوات. This T then joins and goes straight into this sheen with the shadda. خطوات الشيطان. Jim there, you can rest. الشيطان. ولا. So just slightly going back, sorry. Here. ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان. Do not follow the footsteps of shaitan. That's why I had to read wala. Don't. Here. إنه. So remember that this innahu Noon has a shadda, so it's also gunna. Innahu, like that. This slightly extends the ha. Innahu, this also gunna, right? Where the nose slightly vibrates a little, right? It's a little movement of the nose. Innahu lakum, lakum adu, adu, aduun, aduun. Now normally this would be aduun, but we got a meme coming up. So this assimilates to a meme. So aduun forms aduun mubin. Innahu lakum aduun mubin. Inshallah, you got that? Next ayah. فَإِن زَلَلْتُمْ. This za makes the noon here because it's soon sakina, a ikhfa. فَإِن زَلَلْتُمْ, زَلَلْتُمْ. The two memes assimilate. زَلَلْتُمْ مِن بَعْدِ, مِن بَعْدِ مَا. فَإِن زَلَلْتُم مِّن بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَتْكُمُ. This drops go straight to the lam there. جَاءَتْكُمُ الْبَيِّنَاتُ, مُلْبَيِّنَاتُ. فَاعْلَمُوا. This drops, you're hitting a ayn with sukoon. فَاعْلَمُوا. Okay? فَاعْلَمُوا, which means know. It's a commandment to know. فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ. What happens with anna? Do you remember? Noon, that has a shadda. This is also gunna. Anna Allah. Before the name of Allah Jalla wa Ala, if you have a fatha, this is read as a full mouth. Anna Allah, as opposed to Anna Allah, right? Anna Allah. You can't read it like that. Anna Allah azizun, azizun. Hakim, Hakim. Okay, next ayah. هل ينظرون. This noon, sakina, noon with a sukoon, followed by a dha, makes the noon ikhfa. هل ينظرون إلا an, but you have a ya coming up, and noon has a sukoon. So this assimilates with the ya. So you don't say an yati, right? You kind of drop this and go straight to the ya. إلا أن يأتيهم الله أن يأتيهم الله في ظلال من الغمام. في ظلال. Lin assimilates with the meme. So instead of in, you prepare to hit the meme. So ظلال من الغمام. وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ. Everyone with me there? That's drops, go straight to the lam. This extends the lam. مَلَائِكَةُ. This hamza, you cannot read it. Well, you can in some recitations, but وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ. You see the difference? Let me explain here the hamza. وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ. Now look, when you read the hamza, it's read like this, close to this. وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ. Do you see the difference? It's almost like a breath that you pause and you hit the hamza. وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ as opposed to malaikatu without any breath. وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ وَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ. So وَقُضِيَ الْيَل, this drops, goes straight to the lam. وَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ. You can stop here. وَإِلَى اللَّهِ. There's a fatha before the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this lafdhul jalala, ismul jalala, that great name of Allah, is read full mouth. وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ. We haven't read a lot of the rules of ra. There's also ra, full mouth, and light mouth as well. We're not going into that too much because this is not a advanced class in tajweed. These classes are to help you with the basics. Once you learn all these, inshallah, you'll find a great scholar, a qari, you'll read with them, and my job is to help you get to the basics. So this is a bit advanced. Nonetheless, it's just to point it out. Ra has a lot of rules to it. وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ. This u now, this drops, goes straight to the lam. تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورِ. Umur, and the mu there, the meme is extended by the waw slightly. وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورِ. To Allah returns all affairs. Beautiful Quran. May Allah always help us to love it, recite it, believe in it, live it. And inshallah on the Day of Judgment, may Allah help all of us that the Quran be a witness for us and not against us. Please pray for me. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. We'll see you next time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.